Today we'll be taking you through the installation portion of the Elecbrakes VM1 setup, including mounting, wiring it in and confirming the connection. This information can also be found in the first section of the onboarding process when using the app. If you don't already have the app on your phone, simply tap your phone to the unit to download it. It's a good idea to make sure your vehicle meets the power requirements shown here before installing the Elecbrakes VM1. If you want more information, you can get a copy of the full technical manual for reference. Find it linked in the description. Inside the box, you'll find a VM1 brake controller, the leader, and 4 self-tapping screws. Additional tools may be required based on your approach to wiring the car. Choose a suitable mounting location for the VM1. It can be mounted in the boot, rear quarter, ute tray, or the vehicle underside. Ensure it's securely attached. The cable can reach the vehicle's trailer socket, and it's a practical location for the vehicle. The VM1 unit must be mounted with one face parallel to the ground. If the unit isn't parallel, the VM1 won't be able to calibrate correctly. The VM1 can simply be wired into the vehicle's existing vehicle socket at the back. Black is the auxiliary feed, red is the brake lights, blue is the service brake wire, and finally white is earth. We're now ready to wire it in, so let's remove the socket covers and get started. Now that that's done, we can plug the leader into the VM1 and jump into the car. As a quick check to make sure things are working, we can select the device in the app. Walk through the pairing section to confirm that the unit is both powered and the brake signal is triggering an output. We can also inspect the data page to see that the power is being delivered to the brakes when the vehicle is braking or when override is active. For more information on installing the VM1 or troubleshooting, please refer to our full technical manual linked in the description. You can also contact our customer service at info@elecbrakes.com or call 1300 516 248.